In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Logitech G Pro X Superlight to Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your Logitech G Pro X Superlight gaming mouse on an Xbox console, either Xbox One, so old gen, or new gen Xbox Series S or X. This is going to work for both Superlight models, so Superlight 1 and Superlight 2. There are two main ways of connecting these mice to your Xbox. You can either do it wirelessly, which is what I recommend because there is essentially zero difference in latency, or you can do it through a wired connection. If you want to do it wirelessly, all that you have to do is unbox the mouse and gather the USB dongle. Now, you will be able to plug the wireless receiver into the dongle and then plug the dongle directly into your console. To do this, use the provided USB-A to USB-C or USB-A to micro USB cable. Essentially, you just have to plug the receiver into the Xbox by using any of the available USB ports. As soon as the receiver is properly connected, make sure that you are in close proximity of it, and then if you look at the bottom of the Superlight, you will be able to toggle it on. So once you switch it into the on position, it is going to automatically pair itself up with the dongle, and now you will be able to use it wirelessly on your Xbox. You will see a cursor appear and it should work right away. If you open any games where you have mouse and keyboard support on consoles, you will be able to use it. Keep in mind that this is going to differ for every single game, and you will only be able to use the Superlight in games that have the support natively built. Now, if you want to do it through a wired connection, as you might expect, you don't need a wireless dongle. You just need to plug the mouse directly into any of the available ports. So instead of using the dongle, plug one end of the USB-A to USB-C cable into the console and the other end into the mouse. You might also be using micro USB if you have the original Superlight, but essentially you just have to make sure that the mouse is being directly connected into the Xbox console using the cable. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Logitech G Pro X Superlight to Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.